Today we're going to discuss the Code of Ethics in Journalism. I am your professor, Rachel Khan of the UP Journalism Department. A Code of Ethics is a set of principles or standards used to guide our decision-making process, as well as to help us distinguish right from wrong. They provide general guidelines for ethical behavior within an industry, organization, or profession. The code is usually drafted by key stakeholders within the organization or profession and represents the agreed-upon standards of ethical behavior that will be expected of each individual within their group. It is usually founded on values such as integrity, fairness, and responsibility. There are several ways codes of ethics are formed. These are 1. Compliance-based codes, which contain clear-cut rules often enforced by government. 2. Value-based codes, which emphasize self-regulation over outside governance. And 3. Professional codes, which outline ethical standards of professional groups. The codes of ethics in media and journalism can be traced to the 1947 Hotchkiss Commission report that called for social responsibility in the media. The Hotchkiss Commission, whose official name was the Commission on Freedom of the Press, was formed during World War II when Henry Luce, publisher of Time and Life magazines, asked Robert Hotchkiss, president of the University of Chicago, to recruit a commission to inquire into the proper function of the media in the modern democracy. The commission came to this conclusion in 1947. The press plays an important role in the development and stability of modern society, and as such, it is imperative that a commitment of social responsibility be imposed on mass media. The report states, "Today, our society needs first a truthful, comprehensive, and intelligent account of the day's events in a context which gives them meaning. Second, a forum for the exchange of comment and criticism. Third, a means of projecting the opinions and attitudes of the groups in society to one another. Fourth, a method of presenting and clarifying the goals and values of the society. And fifth, a way of reaching every member of the society by the currents of information, thought, and feeling which the press supplies." The Journalist Code of Ethics varies in detail depending on the culture and the country, but they generally are based on 4 principles outlined by the Society for Professional Journalists. These are 1. Seek the truth and report it. 2. Minimize harm. 3. Act independently. And 4. Be accountable and fair. Seek the truth and report it. Ethical journalism should be accurate and fair. Journalists should be honest and courageous in gathering, reporting, and interpreting information. Journalists should verify information before reporting it. Also, they should provide context and take care not to misrepresent or oversimplify the story. Second, minimize harm. Ethical journalism treats sources, subjects, colleagues, and members of the public as human beings deserving of respect. Journalists should balance the public's need for information against the potential harm it causes. Pursuit of the news is not a license for arrogance or undue intrusiveness. Third, act independently. Journalists should avoid conflicts of interest, real or perceived. They should remember that their job is to protect the public's interests. News should be distinguished from advertising. And fourth, be accountable. Ethical journalism means taking responsibility for one's work and explaining one's decisions to the public. Respond quickly to questions of accuracy or fairness, admit mistakes, and make corrections if needed. And be fair. Most stories have at least two sides. While there is no obligation to present every side in every piece, stories should be balanced and add context. Objectivity is not always possible and may not always be desirable, but impartial reporting builds trust and confidence. Up next, where do you find journalism or media codes of ethics? But first, if you like this video, please click the like button. The website of the Ethical Journalism Network contains the links to the codes of ethics in various countries. In the Philippines, there are two basic codes: the Philippine Press Institute Journalism Code of Ethics and the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas Media Ethics. The Philippine Press Institute has an 11-point code of ethics, which I will list here, but can also be accessed through their website, thephilippinepressinstitute.net/journalist-code-of-ethics.